Hello everybody, I'm Triveni and welcome to my channel Spiritual Alchemy 7. Today I've come up with a very unique topic, that is, do you know why insects appear in your home? Isn't it interesting? Okay, come on, let's begin. Did you know that the appearance of insects in your house has a meaning for you? Nothing in this world is a coincidence. Everything happens for a reason. There's always something meaningful for you in everything that happens in life. Especially insects are messengers from universe or God. Quantum physics reveals that at a subatomic level, everything is energy vibrating at its different frequencies. Divine wisdom is constantly seen through signs and synchronities guiding us back to alignment with our higher self. But we get so caught up in the life that we miss the hidden messages everywhere that would allow us to experience heaven on earth. Now, what if I told you that insects showing up unexpectedly in your home are actually a way of creation supporting you to tune into the cosmic intelligence all around you? Everything from ants to moths, beetles to crickets have meaning. The universe uses these little creatures to get our attention, delivering a direct download for how to create more love, joy, and abundance. So, quantum theory confirms that consciousness shapes our reality. Get ready to have your eyes open to the sacred wisdom and blessing contained in these humble little bugs visiting your home. As we explore the spiritual symbolism of various insects, remember that science confirms we live in an interconnected field of energy. What we perceive as solid matter is actually 99% empty space. So, at the most fundamental level, you, me, and even the tiniest ant or cockroach are electric impulses dancing within the same quantum field of consciousness. So, let's look at the few insect messengers and what they want to show us about the kingdom within. First one is bees. Bees pollinating flowers. They remind us of the immense power of focus and intentionality. Small, gentle, often overlooked, and yet their collective work sustains life on earth. So, did you know when a single bee enters your home with no hive nearby, it's a validation from spirit that your visions, intentions, and purpose are blossoming, spreading seeds that will bear sweet fruits. Keep shining. Next one is spiders. Spiders represent situations of pain, anguish, and discomfort in your life. They like to feed on low vibrational energies. You see, in their webs, spiders trap prey and inject venomous enzyme that essentially starts digesting the insect from inside. Then they suck out the nutrients once the body is drained and lifeless. So, what does this symbolize energetically? When spiders show up unexpectedly in your home, the universe may be warning you that energy vampires are afoot, whether negative thought patterns or toxic relationships. Something is trapping you in pain and draining your life force. Spiritual is nudging you to shift perspective or attitude so you don't remain vulnerable or caught in the web. The more light, joy, and self love you cultivate from within, the less these spiders can feed. You reclaim power by feeding only that which serves your growth. Now, the next one is ants. Ants represent community, diligent effort, and teamwork. They show up conveying different messages depending on their color. Black ants crawling on you is appreciation for your hard work and validation to stay the course. The universe is at high finding you, but the red ants serve as an urgent warning. They signify impending danger or violence on the horizon. Your divine messenger says practice awareness and caution, avoid knee jerk reactions, withdraw inward, align with loving wisdom, wait patiently for clarity or will unfold. Next comes ladybugs. Ladybugs are beloved around the world as an auspicious sign of good luck, fortunes, and protection. Their bright red shell with distinct black polka dots resemble the life-giving sun beaming down its fiery medicine to kiss the earth's skin. So, when a ladybug graces you by landing on your hand or fluttering by your face, recognize this as a holy moment of blessing from the Great Spirit. Ladybugs remind us that we are deeply supported by invisible hands and wrapped in an indestructible cloak of power, far greater than our own. They invite us to open to prosperity, joy, and well being flowing freely from the divine cosmic reservoir that is our birthright. Now, in terms of numbers, a single ladybug still carries this uplifting message for you, but tradition says spotting a pair of ladybug together indicates double blessings and abundance is on its way. Some legends promise that finding of 7 ladybugs clustered promises wishes coming true. Hence, spying a swarm of ladybugs promises a miracle is imminent. So, no matter how many polka dotted friends visit you, the central meaning is this: you are safe. Angels and ancestors walk beside you. Good fortune streams in endless supply. We are cheering for your wildest dreams you can receive. The cosmic wink and smile of the universe at work through this humble little beetle. Next comes crickets. Crickets represent good news from the other side. Their psalms emanate as messages of comfort and support from loved ones who have passed on. So, if crickets suddenly appear in your home, it is your ancestors and inner spirit guides reassuring you, we are with you, we hear you, we love you. Keep following the stirrings in your heart. You are on the right path. When an unexpected lizard scurries living room, pay attention. Although it is not an insect, it falls in this category. The universe may be sending clues that people around you are being two-faced or gossiping behind your back. Yes, lizards warn that others are speaking words of deceit or spreading untruth about you without you knowing. They remind us to choose trust wisely and not feed toxic social ties, respond with truth, courage, and calm. When the moment is right, next ever feel you can't escape those pesky files descending without warning. Next come flies. When flies represent periods when your energy feels depleted, you may be physically run down and emotionally drained, perhaps from dealing with great stressors and overthinking. Flies come to say your inner temple needs cleansing and recharging immediately. Next comes cockroaches. Cockroaches elicit disgust in most human hearts. Their creepy appearance and association with filth and disease cause an innate repulsion, but as beings meant to transcend base fears, consider cockroaches through a spiritual lens. Cockroaches survive mass extinction events. They endure hostile environments, deprivation, radiation crushing forces. Managing to adapt and thrive despite it all, roaches embody radical resilience through millions of years of evolution. So, what if these unsavory insects pissed in your home are actually heaven sent mentors guiding you to uncover hidden wells of resilience within yourself during periods of difficulty? Cockroaches actually have a keen sense of collective consciousness and intuition of far surpasses humans. So, their appearance prompts soul searching. Where do you need to get out of your comfort zone? Shift perspective, radically uncover creative solutions to crystallized attitudes or beliefs that hold you back, where you can cultivate grit, patience, and mettle to push beyond self imposed imitations. Cockroaches hold miraculous medicine, carrying the reminder that you, magnificent one, are infinitely adaptable. You can survive and thrive through all life's trials. Dig deep to unlock latent gifts for regeneration. Allow cockroach to spiritually strengthen and renew you. Now, next one is yellow butterfly. Seeing a yellow butterfly has long been considered by many cultures as a sign of divine affirmation, something you hope for, disapprove resoundingly. You may be pondering big life questions like, shall I move homes? Shall I start that creative business? Or leave that business, or enter into a relationship, or ask spirit for a nudge. Then yellow butterflies suddenly appear on your path, almost demanding your attention. This confirms a rousing cosmic, yes, thundering through your soul. So the next time you witness yellow wings flutter by, hear heaven's bells ringing out loud, yes, over your yearning heart, let it embolden and inspire you. For you cannot make one wrong step when guided by the melody of spirits. Sweet whispers, all that unfolds is meant to be. Next one is giant moths. Giant moths with fuzzy antennae have an equally giant spiritual meaning. Their appearance signifies massive change is underway. We often observe moths futilely battering themselves against lights or windows, but they simply follow their innate divine guidance to navigate by moonbeams, ever drawn to luminous truth. So, when they hover outside your porch or bump outside your house, pay attention. It's likely you feel internally restless, dissatisfied, urgency for revelation. Spiritual sense, the moth suggesting breakthrough is here. Prepare for a quantum leap in consciousness out of one ways of thinking will dissolve in coming days. What uplifting transformation or awakening shall visit you soon? Watch it for, receive it openly. So this is the thing. Friends, I hope you have seen today that the world is full of magic. There are our guides and signs absolutely everywhere when we recalibrate the nature's frequency, which our modern business deafens. Promise yourself to walk again gently as a child. Learn from rivers and clouds, mountains and meadows. Listen as a brother to cricket song and cicadas rattle. No creatures, great or small, is without wisdom for you. Pay attention if our winged and crawling friends unexpectedly visit your home. They are heaven's helping hands guiding you to your highest path, for in truth angel come in many forms with messages just for you. I pray their blessing uplift you every day as you courageously create heaven on earth right where you stand. Thank you.